Yes, hello everyone. This is Paul Garcia's voice. Ayun po, kakantahin ko na po yung isa sa mga nag-request po na ayan, kantahin ko po itong song na to. It's a Kaila's song. Titled po ay I Feel For You. So, sana po gusto po ninyo. Something inside my heart, and it seems like magic. It's changing my life since you came to me. Everything is alright, I see. You touched my heart and gave me love so real. This time around, I wanna let it show. There's something special in my heart, you wanna know. I feel for you. I truly love you. In my heart and in my soul, you are my love, you are my own. I feel for you. I always love you, because to me you are a dream. That's how I feel for you, for you. Thank you.